Hello, I'm Ravinder, a Certified Bitcoin Professional. Welcome to Certified Bitcoin Professional, Pass the Certification Exam, where I'll be taking you through a structured learning program which will prepare you to take and pass the Certified Bitcoin Professional Exam, following which you will gain your certification as a Bitcoin professional. Personally, I have taught over 20,000 students about cryptocurrencies and the blockchain. And this Certified Bitcoin Professional course is my most impactful course yet, packed with brand new engaging content to help you advance your career with a Bitcoin certification. This course is structured in a logical way, covering everything you will in the exam, yet at the same time this course is designed to be challenging. So by the end, you'll feel confident in taking the exam with everything that you've gained from this course. So we kick this course off with Section 1. Here, you get an introduction to the course, as well as my experience with passing the exam. On top of that, you'll be set a complete quiz to complete, which you'll be tested on at the end as well. These practice questions are from the exam, and by doing it at the start, then again at the end, it will show your progression through this course. Then from Section 2 to Section 7, we're going to be covering every aspect of Bitcoin you could potentially be asked in the exam. And then each section will end with a mini quiz. Once again, those are practice questions. Once all that is done in the course, we'll round off in Section 8, where you'll be set the same quiz from Section 1. You'll be able to see how well you've progressed through this course by taking that quiz again. You'll also gain access to a workbook of questions and answers, which you can print out and use as a study guide offline. You've got everything available to you to help you become a certified Bitcoin professional in this course. So that's how this whole course is structured, to help get you ready to pass the Certified Bitcoin Professional exam. There is no other guide available in video or text format which is focused on helping someone pass this test successfully. So this is going to be your complete go-to resource. And if you ever get stuck, join me and my community of over 20,000 students to help you solve your problem. There has never been a better time to advance your personal and professional career by earning a Bitcoin certification. So watch the free previews, click the Take This Course button, and I'll see you in class.